morning. Today we are going to be talking about something that was very confusing for me when I started. It's kind of hard to explain, so it's kind of hard to teach, but it's really, really easy to understand. So let's take it step by step, how to manipulate your path on Windows, the first normie guide. So I just downloaded the Markdown book executable. It's in my downloads folder, and I would like to check what version that is. So if I was to CD into my downloads, I could use that Markdown book executable and pass it -- version, and it's going to tell me what version it is. Okay, but I don't want to have to navigate to my downloads folder every single time I want to use that executable. Well, a solution to that may be, which is not a very good one, call it from the downloads folder every single time you need to use it. So imagine that I need to check the version from the home directory. I would need to first specify the directory that it's living in and then -- version. So how do we take that executable and put it somewhere that the terminal can see at all times, so I never have to specify what Markdown book? Well, that's where the path comes in. Let's take a look at my path right now. It looks like a mess. You can tell that it is a bunch of directories, but you've also got these semicolons in here. Well, the semicolons are actually breaks. So this is a string of directories. So if I was to actually take that path and then split it by semicolon, you can see all the directories that are on my path. So for example, I've got my chocolatey package manager on my path, so I can run Choco from anywhere. I've got my Neo Vim on here, so I can go into Vim whenever I don't need to. So pretty much any directory that lives on the path, the terminal can access any executable that live inside of these directories. So let's get this markdownbook.exe something like this, where we can just type in the name and then use it from anywhere on our system. Well, I'm going to open up my start menu, type in env, and open edit system environment variables. At the top, I've got my user variables, and down here we've got the system variables. I'm not going to touch the system variables. I'm actually only going to manipulate my own. I'm going to go to edit. Before I do that, I'm going to open up my C drive and I'm going to make a new folder, and I'm going to call it my path. So let's open up this folder. It's empty right now. Add a new one. Copy the directory path, hit OK, OK. Now, if I open up a new terminal and have it show me my path again, I can see that my path is now one of the directories that my terminal is going to look in. So let's go ahead and move my Markdown book executable into this folder. I'm going to restart my terminal again. And now, from anywhere on my computer, I can type in MD book and I can use it. So pretty quick one. I hope that explains it for you. If you have any questions, leave them below. Thank you for watching.